Hey guys, we're down in Richmond and we can't wait to show you this renovation. This was an 1,100 square foot bungalow. We're 10 minutes to downtown, not even, Tim. To jump down there on Crowchild, you'll be down there in 5 minutes. Okay, this is an 1,100 square foot bungalow that has been extended and is now over 1,800 square feet. We can't wait to show you the value. Come on in. Okay guys, we're here with Karlee, the owner. Karlee is part of our office down at Remax, so we want to showcase what she's done. Karlee, you've done an awesome job.
Thank you.
What can you tell us about this property when you picked it up?
So this was an estate sale. It had sat for probably about 2 years. Previous owner was a heavy smoker. The walls were black. We completely gutted it out. So new electrical, new plumbing, new insulation. This is basically a brand new house.
Full gut. As I said, we're 10 minutes, not even to downtown. Our office is probably 5-6 minutes, so that's awesome. Okay, let's do a quick walkthrough. For everybody to see, you gutted the whole thing here. This is the latest trends that we're seeing on Instagram. I can't believe you designed all this stuff. This is amazing.
Thank you.
And one thing we just noticed is that the kitchen starts and it finishes right at the end. So it ties in the dining room. You've got a huge island here. What other features can you tell us about? Like, how did you come up with these lights and the other lights over behind you as well?
Yeah, I feel like just tying everything in. I like to keep it pretty neutral so that people can put their own touch on it. But things like the black lights kind of tie in all of the black fixtures.
Yeah, it makes it pop. And so for you guys out there, the house roughly stopped here, Karlee.
Yeah.
And so there's an extension off the dining room, and then you have an extension off the master bedroom, which makes that huge as well.
Yeah, it was about 650 square feet of extension.
Okay, and so we do have a back door back here, and you've got a separate area, which I like for people to come in and take off their clothes. So you don't really see that area. You went with the barn door as well. Okay, let's go see the other side of the house. Karlee, the other thing about this is the staircase is in the middle, which, you know what, it really separates the house. So I like how people can be here, entertaining, and the bedrooms are tucked away.
It does, and it actually provides a lot of light for the basement as well.
But yeah, and you open up a wall here, and that's a great feature. Okay, so it is a 6-bedroom house. This is amazing. And all of the bedrooms are good size. Beautiful bathroom off here. And the master bedroom, and you kept the hallways really large as well. You don't see that in bungalows. And then you come back, you have a huge walk-in closet. I'll just turn this light on. Huge walk-in. Yeah, and then a good size master bedroom with ensuite.
And heated floors in all bathrooms.
Yeah, so you put heat on. Yeah, so it's got all the luxuries that you need. Yeah, for 1.5, you get a lot. You get a brand new house. Tim was just saying that. We'll take you downstairs to have a look. Okay, guys, we're down in the basement and we have a little wet bar that looks absolutely awesome. We know black's in and Karlee's pulled it off. I wouldn't be able to design this, Karlee, for sure. Okay, come and check out the bedrooms back here. You have 2 on this side and 1 on the other side. So 3 bedrooms in the basement. They all have egress windows. And once again, everything is brand new. The bathroom, Tim, we'll just show you that as well back here. And then we have a little area over here that is all new mechanical in the laundry room here. Oh yeah, you might want to show that. And then over here we have a TV/home theater area with another bedroom in the back. Yeah. So Karlee, what can you tell us about doing these renos? Would you do it again?
It's a lot of work, but yes, I would. I feel like it's my passion. I love seeing something old go to something new, and somebody's going to enjoy this house now. So.
Yeah. And is there any things that came up during any surprises during the renovations?
For sure. I mean, from start to finish, there was a lot of surprises that came up. The first one would be asbestos.
Right.
So we had to do a full abatement at the start of this renovation. So
yeah. And that basement floor? when we came in here?
Yes, that took a lot of jackhammering.
Yeah. So, okay. And then I know you took some time with this project, but how long was the whole process?
Took about a year. So after permits, it took about a year to complete the full renovation.
Yeah. Well, we're so happy that we could show you the latest renovations and Karlee's work. If you want to see more property tours like this, subscribe below so you can see what's next.